just like the street lights lit this town.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Meheru from Meheru Aesthetic Gallery. Today in this video, I will show you how to draw a very beautiful elephant. To create this drawing, follow my steps and watch the video till the end. And yes, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give a like. So now keep watching. Thank you.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop.